You don't have an idea problem, you have a direction problem. And saving more videos is not the same as building something real. My name is Michelle, by the way, if you don't know me yet, mom of one. You probably have 20 ideas sitting in your notes app. But be honest, how many of them have actually turned into something clear? That was me too. Always thinking, always researching, always telling myself, I'll start when I understand more. But that became the trap. Because ideas don't change anything when they stay in your head. Structure does. Most people stay stuck because they keep looking for the perfect idea instead of learning how to take one idea, shape it into a simple digital product and share it with the right people. I needed a clear starting point, step by step, simple products to understand, content direction, and support so I wasn't guessing every day. Not overnight, not magically, but step by step, things started to make sense. If you've been sitting on ideas and want to understand the starting point I use, comment idea and I'll share what helped me get clarity.